Ever thought about the secret recipe for a perfectly structured workshop? Welcome to the world of workshop design and facilitation, a realm that can truly transform the way you approach projects. By utilizing a structured approach, we can channel our creative energies, foster collaboration, and ultimately, achieve our project goals. The process is divided into intriguing stages: an opening phase to generate ideas, an exploration phase to develop and test them, and finally, a closing phase to select the most promising one. Understanding the basics of workshop design can be the key to your project's success. Workshop design is divided into distinct stages. This process is like piecing together a puzzle, with each stage fitting seamlessly into the next, forming the whole picture that is your workshop. First, we have the structured idea development. This stage is the foundation of your workshop. It's where you'll outline the goals and objectives of your session. This is the roadmap, the guiding star that will steer your workshop's course. It's crucial to get this right, as it sets the tone for everything that follows. Then comes the opening phase. Imagine this as the warm-up of your workshop. It's when participants introduce themselves and start to generate ideas. This stage fosters an environment of creativity and collaboration, setting the stage for the exploration phase. The exploration phase is the heart of your workshop. It's where ideas are developed, tested, stretched, and refined. It's a stage of discovery and innovation, where participants are encouraged to think outside the box, to challenge norms and push boundaries. And finally, the closing phase. This is the convergent phase, where the group selects the most promising idea. It's like the grand finale, where all the hard work and creative energy culminates into a solid, actionable idea or solution. Each stage plays a crucial role in shaping the direction and outcome of the workshop. Much like an orchestra, each part contributes to the symphony, creating a harmonious and productive workshop experience. There are various techniques that you can employ in each phase of the workshop. Let's delve into these methods and how they can be woven into your workshop design to facilitate idea generation, development, and selection. The opening phase, often referred to as the divergent phase, is the perfect time to encourage participants to introduce themselves and generate ideas. You can use techniques such as brainstorming sessions, where participants are encouraged to think freely and suggest ideas without fear of judgment. This phase sets the tone for the entire workshop and can be a goldmine for innovative thinking. Moving on to the exploration phase, this is where the proverbial rubber meets the road. Here, we take the ideas generated in the opening phase and develop them further. Techniques such as role-playing and scenario planning can be effective tools at this stage. Role-playing allows participants to step into different perspectives, fostering empathy and encouraging innovative solutions. Scenario planning, on the other hand, helps participants envision potential outcomes of their ideas and plan accordingly. Lastly, we arrive at the closing phase, also known as the convergent phase. This is where the group selects the most prominent idea. Techniques such as voting or consensus building can be employed here. These methods ensure that everyone's voice is heard and that the final decision is one that everyone can stand behind. Remember, these are just a few techniques at your disposal. The beauty of workshop design is in its flexibility. You can tailor your methods to suit the unique needs and dynamics of your group. Whether you're facilitating a workshop for a small project team or leading a large-scale organizational learning session, these techniques can be adapted to fit your context. The right techniques can stimulate creativity and foster effective collaboration among participants. So, why not give them a try in your next workshop design? In this video, we've covered the basics of workshop design and facilitation. We looked into the importance of structured idea development and the key stages that make up a successful workshop design. These stages include the opening phase, where participants introduce themselves and generate fresh ideas, the exploration phase, where these ideas are developed and tested, and finally, the closing phase, where the most promising idea is selected and refined. We've also discussed various methods that can be applied in each phase. Techniques like brainstorming and experimentation, when used wisely, can greatly enhance the overall outcome of your workshop. Remember, the success of your project heavily relies on effective workshop design and careful facilitation. And that's not all. For more insights on creative collaboration and structured idea development, don't forget to watch the 4 videos on our channel. They will provide you with a deeper understanding and practical tools to make your workshops even more engaging and productive. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.